Everyone, and welcome to my another video. And today we'll be looking at an artificial intelligence photo editing software by Skylum, Luminar AI. So let's get started. Okay, so Luminar AI is available for a free download, and you can try for some time, and after that you need to purchase it. It is available for both Mac and Windows, and it also behaves as a plugin for Photoshop, Lightroom, and Apple Photos. Over here you can see that after the AI technology, how the image look, and there's your final output. You can watch the videos, and these are the features offered by Luminar AI, which includes body AI, face AI, Accent AI, bokeh AI, which is coming later this month, atmosphere, and there are a bunch of it. So let's get to the GUI. Over here you can see Luminar AI comes with some of the tutorial photos, where you can see T stands for tutorial, and if you click on all photos over here, you can see I have already imported one photo from my camera, and over here it is a bit edited. The catalog part of Luminar AI behave as a file manager, which keeps all the track of your with the photos, your favorites, your rejected, your marked, unmarked, the trash, and even you can create album over here. The plus sign will take you to add folders and image. You can add a folder directly from the camera, or you can add a single image on which you want to work. So let's move on to the templates. Let me select my own photo over here and click. Just one thing I just need to highlight. Over here you can see the camera configuration, or the picture specification, sorry, which directly from the camera, as this one is raw, and over here you can see that this is a pure JPEG. So even CR2 is the raw image from Canon. Let's move on to the template one. Here you can see the histogram. You can switch it on and off, and even you can click on the highlights for dark and the brightness. Over here you can see it's quite bright over here, so you can toggle the histogram from here. Right click. Right over here you can see the template. As per this picture, it offers some AI templates. You can select a bunch of it from here. You can download free, you can add it to the favorites, and whatever you want to see. For example, if I click on this, it will take quite a bit time to render depending upon your machine power. The sunrise one, dark forest, gold theme, just give it a moment, and it will render your image. So this is the template you can directly import. There are a bunch of templates available online. I have purchased some of them. Some of them are available, some of them are paid version, and some of them are free. So here are a couple of them. Not all the templates are required for the picture. Some are required for portraits, and some are for the type of pictures which you have already clicked. Over here you can see experiment, easy portrait, essence, and monochrome. So let's move on to the edit part. Over here you can see a small AI on each of the features. So if you go on enhance and you can see the changes over here in the picture. You can reset it, and even for the composition, where you can crop. If you click on composition AI, it will show you that what will be the best fit for the AI, as this is suggested from Luminar AI. So you can always undo it. Here you can the structure AI, you can increase the amount of structure. You can see here, you can see the structure in the building over here, and you can even boost it. Furthermore, these are from the old Luminar AI, Luminar version, Luminar 4, which is the last one. And currently I am in tool section. There are 3 sections: local masking and history. So if you get on the creative one, like the sky, you can replace summer sky, give it a try, and the one which suits you, you can go ahead and include. Sky orientation, you can move it vertical or whatever you want. So, or you can even go for the masking. For example, if you select this sky and you can even paint around the section where you want the sky to be, so it will appear only a part of it. So this one is for the sky, augmented sky, or you can say there are further props for it, like I'll go for the small birds. They'll appear over here, right? You can even mask them, or you can click on them and you can drag it around and place it over there. Increase this, decrease the size, the amount. So there you can place the object over here which are already in augmented sky. Other one is the atmosphere AI, where you can go for fog. If you increase the amount, you can see the fog effects over here, and this one doesn't look realistic, artificial, so just a bit of it, and depth, or you can go for the mist one, increase the amount, whatever suits your picture. Over here you can see the sun ray, right? If I click the sun over here and increase the sun rays, you can see that this looks a bit of natural. There's a sun, and even you can decrease the amount of it, right? So moving on, these are the one without the eye, or you can play around, right? So let's switch to the portrait mode, and over here you can see that it will give you some hint that what you can change in this picture, like retouch the face, try it out, and it will open this panel. You can increase the face light, give it a second, you can see the changes, and slim the face, whatever suits you, and even beautify the skin, try it out, amount. You can see the smooth effect on the cheeks side, and shine remover. If there is some shine, it can remove that also. The body one, we will go for this one. You can see, this is also, if you try the body shape one, you can slim it out like this. Even the abdomen, you can tuck it in. Right, and the last one, where you can see it will guide you, apply a template from this photo, like we'll go back to the template and you can apply as much template as you want. Give it a second depending upon your machine, and there you go. So the other ones are optic. These are for the portrait. Super contrast you can use for this image also, like I will use it for my own image over here. High contrast. For reset, you just need to double click and it will reset back to its seat, or just undo it, the last date. So dodge and burn from the Photoshop clone, you can edit some same features from the Photoshop. Over here you can see the export version, where you can save to the disk, mail, message, mug, and 500px. These are all the image offering websites. So here's a small overview of Luminar AI. It's one of the good software. The people who use Photoshop can still stick to it for manipulation, but if somebody is working purely on the photographs editing and they want a bit of touch of artificial intelligence, they can use Luminar AI. Although you can have these all features in Photoshop, but you have to work it around. This over in Luminar, the easy part is that it is available on your fingertips. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.